Hi everybody, it's Nunu, your friendly teacher guide, and my purpose in this video is to provide a brief overview of the 3 Draft 2 essay writing assignments that you will complete in this class. Now in this class we have 3 major essay writing assignments, 1, 2, and 3 argumentative essays. For each of these essays, you have to write a second draft. So I'm going to provide an overview of what to do for the draft 2 assignment for each of these essays. All right, I'm going to use argumentative essay 1, draft 2, 1,000 words as an example, as the directions are similar for each of the draft 2s that you will write. All right, let's scroll down and look at the directions. Now, I'm not going to read the directions to you. I'm going to ask you to read them very carefully to yourself from beginning to end. I'm simply going to point out important pieces of information to keep in mind about these directions, all right? All right, let's start with assignment notes up at the top. What do we have here? We have the A example to guide you in the writing of this draft 2. We have information about where the rubric is, how you will be evaluated for this assignment, and other important information. Scrolling down, what else do we have? We have our class rule about using artificial intelligence, AI, appropriately, which is super important because, as we know, AI can help us, can lift us up, can help us to build important essay writing skills if we use it appropriately, which is by using it to perform a basic spelling, grammar, punctuation check. AI can help us to recognize and to correct easily avoidable errors in our essay. But AI can harm us, can hold us down, prevent us from building those strong essay writing skills if we try to use it to write or revise our essays. And that's super important to keep in mind. We want to build essay writing skills in this class. We want to be ready for the real world and for writing essays in other classes. All right. What else do we have in our directions? We have an overview of the argumentative essay right here. If you need to, read this very carefully again. This isn't the only time you've seen it in this draft 2 essay assignment. It's been in all the other essay writing assignments. And it also contains this helpful handout on the thesis, antithesis, and rebuttal, which are the 3 major parts of an argumentative essay. All right, scrolling down, what do we have? We have draft 2 of essay 1 is due by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday, and we have the directions here, so read them very carefully. And remember that we have this link to the essay requirements here, access essay requirements here, and I'm going to access them, click on them, so that you remember to do so, because this essay has certain requirements that you need to meet. All right, I'm going to go back into the draft 2 for essay 1 by clicking on that link. And I'm back in, and I'm going to look at what else we have. We have our peer evaluation here, which, as you know, is super important. Our peers give us very important feedback about our essays, and by performing a peer evaluation, we learn important information about the essay writing process that can really help us. It's one of the best ways to learn how to write an essay, the whole peer review process, not just writing an essay, but critiquing gently and kindly other people's essays. All right, now in this peer evaluation, you have an opportunity for an extra credit point by responding to peers' evaluations of your essays. What else do we have? We have additional resources about how to write an argumentative essay here. They have been in other essay writing assignments, and if you have time, read or view them. It's optional that you do so, but you'll learn a lot by reading or viewing these resources. Now, what do we have? Last but not least, we have extra credit, the vocabulary word substantive. which is worth 1 point. Read about how to earn this extra credit point. Okay? Now, something very important that I need to point out to you about the Draft 2 assignments is that you will be finishing up the assignment on a Sunday. By Tuesday of the next week, or by Wednesday at the latest at 11:59 p.m., I will provide you with feedback that is accessible to you here in grades. You just need to click on the essay writing assignment and then on the rubric icon to read my notes. So use my notes to help you to write Draft 2, and please also use your peers' notes in any peer evaluations you receive, okay? If you have any questions or concerns about this assignment, come over here to the Canvas inbox and send me an email. I promise to respond promptly. Or you can come up here, and let me maximize the screen a little bit. We can come up here to Home, and I want you to see Home, and I'm trying to move it up, and there it is. We have Home. I'm going to click on Home, and what will pop up in Home? We will see these icons here, and this office hours icon will let you know when my Zoom and campus office hours are, so we can meet face-to-face, either in cyberspace or in my campus office, and discuss the essay. All right, who am I? I'm Nunu. I'm your friendly teacher guide, and I hope that this video was helpful to you.